Hello all, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show a 3-liner Python code that would help know the IP address of the computer that you're working on. Let's create a new file, and name it ipaddress.py. We'll use a socket module in this program in order to code for networking. The socket module is used in all sorts of communication programming in Python, so first of all let's import the socket at the start of the program in Python. Now we'll declare variable, it could be anything by your choice. I'll use server here. Then we shall use a function, write equal to, and then socket.getHost by name. Open the parenthesis, and then write socket.getHostName, and then close the parenthesis. Now, on the new line, write print and write server in it. That's it. Now compile and run the program. Oh, my bad, I missed to write the open and close parenthesis of function inside the function. I think it is there now. Let's clear the terminal and rerun the program. Just check the output in the terminal tab, you'll find your IP address. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and share with friends for such basic codes to build the concepts of networking in Python.